Hi, I'm Peter, and I made this tutorial for one of my fans. So greetings to Dark Sirius, and who had a question about the styling of the buttons on your Joomla web pages. Everything depends on how complex is your template. But today I will show you how to arrange your own styling of buttons in some easy way, and I will show you the principle how it works and how to achieve it in some simple process. So at first I made some tutorial pages for you, and now I will demonstrate the principle on the button of the login form, native login form module from Joomla. Every browser, or most of the top browsers, had something which is called developer tools. It makes your work easier. So, for example, we want to style this login button, but we don't know where is the styles, your cascade styles, where it's come from, and it's very hard to find it in your template CSS and everything. So, for example, this is the Firefox browser. So click on these three rows. There is something like developer, and here is developer tools, and these windows come up in your browser, and now with click on this icon you can point on specific element you want to style. So you can see that you can point on the button, click on this button, and now you can see in the right window the code of your page, and it's pointing for the button which has class btn primary, something like that. And in this right window you had the styles which is from the template CSS, and you can see even the rows or the lines of from the template So you can see that this btn primary is in your template CSS on line 2003-56, and there is some styling for this button. So you can try to uncheck these boxes. You will see what will happen. You can uncheck, for example, the color. You will see that the color changes for black because somewhere because the style is taken from somewhere else this time. For example, now it's this active row. So, and you can try to change the colors, borders, everything, and everything you can do in your browser, and you will see the immediate effect on the element. So if you have your selected style, then we can make the change right in the template. But if you will now changing this template CSS, it affects every button on your pages which will have the same class. You can do it if you want it, but after a while I will show you how to make it without this affecting of other parts of your site. So at first we need to open your template CSS, which is in your Joomla pages, templates, your templates. In my case is Protostar CSS and template CSS. I have already opened here. So from this window we know that the style is coming from the line 2356. So we will find it, 2356. Here it is. And for example, you can change the color for red from, I don't know, some reason, and save it. And if you did it, now you can see that the color of the text is red. Okay, but if you don't want, as I said, to affect all buttons on your pages, which is the class button primary, so I will undelete this change, and you can make something which is called overriding of modules or content. It's the native function of the Joomla. So log into your administration panel, control panel, to your Joomla pages, go to extensions, go to template manager. Yeah, sorry. Okay, now switch to templates and find your Protostar. You can even access some of your files of the templates right from this menu. But now we want to make an override. And we want to override the login module, so click on it, and Joomla will say you that the override was created. So overrides will be created in your template folder, in a HTML folder, and you can see there is a module login. Open the default PHP, and now you can see the code of your module. So now if we take a look for the home page and for this button, you know that you need to find this div form login submit. If you find it, sorry. So you will need to find okay, I'm just trying to find it. Submit. Yeah, here it is. So you can try to delete it, and now we'll save it, and now you can see that the button disappeared. So it is. And the magic is that now you have access immediately to the class styling. So for example, you can delete this style and make your own. So for example, I have prepared style which is called custom button. I'll save it. And now if you refresh the pages, now you will see that the login button was changed. My custom button style is here in the main template CSS, so I can copy it under the video just for your try. For your information, this is the styling of the button, and this is the styling of what will happen when you hover the button, which means when you put the mouse over the button, that it changes some color and background position, something. Even you can now, again, if you click on the button, you will see this code. You can change the colors. You can trying to style or something. Okay, so I hope that it helps. And now for those who are using, for example, Google Chrome even has developer tools. It's here. It's look very similar. So I hope that this helps you, and that I answer your question. Okay, if you have some other question, so write it, and I try to solve your problems. Okay, so have a nice day, and see you in some other videos. Bye bye.